I want to show you the difference between outline, presentation outline, story, and then just presentation. So let me also use the future of AI. The future of AI. I'll just copy it for duplication purpose. So for here, it tries to get a perfect picture. So when you put auto, it generates a perfect picture for you. So I recommend that always you make it auto. But if you don't want, you can choose any of these. Okay, so I think the maximum this presentation can go is 8, because so far that is what I've seen. When you choose just presentation, it just brings you something like this. It says exploring the AI horizons, what lies ahead. So this is just topics to cover with this presentation. When you slide through, you are going to see all these. Yes. So let's try to also get a different one. So as I use it, you see that my credit has reduced to 460. Let me create another one. And let me use the outline. And I'll paste and make it auto. And enter. Let's see what it generates for us. Okay. The difference between this one, the outline, and then the first one I generated, the normal presentation, is that this one doesn't explain your topics. It just tries to bring you topics that you are expected to cover. So yeah, so most people also present their works in this way, and I think it's a really good way of presenting. Let's move to our story button. So I'll just create another one which is story, and then I'll paste it. Yeah, let me just use this one. Okay, so it's done creating this. So the difference between this one and the first one, that is presentation, is that this one tells a story with your presentation. So you see the dawn of an era. So it starts from the bottom where AI came from, and it tells a story, and it finally lands at the future, which is uncertain.